A duck. She stole that from me. There I was again tonight. I'm sorry. Tired, lonely place. Walls of insincerity, shifting eyes and vacancy. Vanished when I saw your face. All I can say is it was. Is it on now? Enchanting to meet you. As whispered, have we met? Across the room, your silhouette starts to make its way to me. The playful conversation starts. Counter all your quick remarks like passing notes in secrecy. And it was enchanting to meet you. There goes the camera. I'm keeping it from sliding. Enchanted to meet you. This night is sparkling. Don't you let it go. I'm on this run, rushing all the way home. I'll spend forever wondering if you knew I was enchanted to meet you. Question kept me up. 2 a.m. Who do you love? I wonder till I'm wide awake. And now I'm pacing back and forth, wishing you were at my door. Open up and you would say, hey, it was enchanting to meet you. All I know is I was enchanted to meet you. This night is sparkling. Don't you let it go. I'm on this run, rushing all the way home. I'll spend forever wondering if you knew I was enchanted. This night is flawless. Don't you let it go. I'm on this run, rushing home. They were doing it. What? They were doing it? Yes. Forever wondering if you knew I was enchanted to meet you. She's not the same, she's not what you think. She's an actress, whoa. She's better known for the things that she does on the mattress, whoa. Soon she's gonna find stealing other people's toys on the playground won't get you many friends. She should keep in mind, there's nothing I do better than revenge. I'm just looking for you to roll your eyes at, honey. You might have him, but haven't you heard? I'm just looking for you to roll your eyes at, honey. You might have him, but I always get that. She's not a saint if she's not what you think. She's an actress, whoa. She's better known by the things that she does on the mattress, whoa. Soon she's gonna find stealing other people's toys on the playground won't get you many friends. She should keep in mind, there is nothing I do better than revenge. you still feel like you know what you're doing? But I don't believe it. Oh, do you still feel like you know what you're doing? But there you are.